Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to download the OnlyFans app. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Since OnlyFans is a website and there is no authorized application as of yet, we need to use a trick to use the OnlyFans site as an application. So open Google Chrome on your mobile device and go to onlyfans.com. This is the official website for OnlyFans. Here, tap the three dots at the top right corner and tap Add to Home Screen. Tap Add to confirm. The OnlyFans website has been added to your device. So go back and you can see the OnlyFans logo. Tap on it and you will be directly taken to the official website. So that's how you download the OnlyFans app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.